Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I will show you how can you change your phone language. Guys, you can see guys everything in English, Hindi as you want in English. So guys, you can change this Hindi language in your Vivo phone. So guys, you want to change. So guys, let's see how to change it. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you if you're new in my channel and you are watching my video first time. So first of all, go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So guys, now let's start video. First of all, open your phone setting to change this language guys. And guys, click on system setting. The second one guys, system setting, click here. Click on guys third one, bhashaएं. Guys, click on first one, bhashaएं. Guys, and guys, you can see we have this English, United States. So guys, press and guys, don't move your finger, do like that whatever I will doing. And guys, wait, also it's loading. Then guys, language will change in our Vivo phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to change language in Vivo phone. So as now you can see everything everything is in English. So bye bye guys. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.